So I want today to show you how to find the code generator on Facebook. First of all, go into your Facebook page, and at the top you can see those three lines. That's called the hamburger. You hit the hamburger, and now you've got to scan right or scroll right down, and you come across settings and privacy. So we hit the settings and privacy, and you'll find now at the top under settings and privacy is settings. You hit the settings again, and under account you can see password and security. Hit password and security, and now you have to go down and down and down until you come across two-factor. There it is, two-factor authentication, and there you see the code generator. And of course, if you hit the code generator, it would generate a code. That's how you do it. I hope that's helpful to many people. Bye for now.